Hey guys, Jason. I'm still surviving dad life. Today's episode is going to be a quick one. It's not going to be anything big, but I'm going to show you guys my new little shop building that I've got. I'm not done putting everything in it yet. I'm still working on it, but I'll let you guys see what I've got so far. I just got one of those portable buildings. It's a 12 by 24. I haven't got everything organized yet, but down here on this end, I've got on this shelf, I was going to do my lawn stuff, but I've got so much of other things. But I've got a nailer here. There's a camp stove there. Some of my terminal kits for electrical wiring are there. Chainsaw. I've got my car stuff here. There's the oil up there. This is the stuff from Better Boat that I'm going to use. This is an exterior cleaning kit that I'm going to try out. I think they sent me an interior kit. And then I've got some epoxy resin and hardener that I'm going to use when I put the new floor in. Then I've got super clean. There's more tools down there. These are just odd end stuff. That's my car detailing kit there. Haven't got it moved to a shelf yet. More tools. These two little racks here, I got these on Amazon, and these are actually really nice. The metal isn't too cheap. It's not too flimsy. So, they hold up what I need to, and I've got all kinds of different tools and stuff. I actually tried one of these out, so you can see it there. Hercules. And I'm impressed. I'm more impressed with it than I am the Craftsman stuff. So I'm going to get a few more of those tools and try out the rest of them. I don't know. I've got all kinds of stuff around here. I got this little organization shelf. This thing is really handy off Amazon. It stores everything that I need. This shelf over here, just odd and end stuff. And then I've got a messy workbench that I built into it, along with my TV, because you guys know if you're working on something and you come to a part where you don't know, you're unsure or whatever, you can look it up on YouTube and you can watch somebody on there. So I've got that out here. And then a camera bag and all that other stuff. Oh, and then I got the important thing, got my golf clubs out here. The most important thing, I guess, that I'm doing next is I'm going to start buying insulation. I'm going to insulate the walls. This fat boy, I think, is going to put a air conditioner in the window there. So I'm going to insulate it and put air conditioning in it. And then I'm going to run electrical. I've got a few extension cords in here because these lights just connect with extension cords. They interconnect, so I've just got extension cord out here powering the lights and those chargers. So that's going to be the other thing I do. And then my little air compressor, I plan on putting running air through here, mainly on the top of the workbench, having an outlet for an air compressor so I can blow air if I need to or use a tool. And then on the outside of the building, I want to put a connection to where if we need to air up a tire out there, all we have to do is connect outside. You don't have to actually get into the building. And then, I don't know what else. It's just a building. Like I said, this is just going to be a short video. But if you guys can think of any other ideas or things that I need to do, I'm thinking about getting a pegboard and putting up there. I've seen where they've got these different things where you can put it's boards you put up, but they've got sliding slots in it. And then they've also got pegboards too. It's dual, they have both of them. I've never used that stuff. I don't know anything about it. So if you guys have, leave me a comment about it and tell me what you think, which one I should get. Oh, and then the best part of my little shop building, in case y'all didn't know, not too long ago, I got promoted from dad to pawpaw. So I have a little grandson now. He's February, March, April, May. He's 4 months old. Yeah, he's 4 months old now. He's something else. I think I understand now why they call them, you know, instead of son, it's grandson, because, you know, this little fella's pretty grand. And the best thing about it, you know, he gets to come by and hang out and all that. And then, you know, when you're done, it's like, hey, here you go, come get him. Wish I could find somebody I could do that with my wife. Okay, come get her. Guess I could call my mother-in-law. Hey, come get your kid. But, yeah, I don't know. This place is still a mess. I haven't got it all organized yet in the way I want to. But anyway, if you guys have, you know, shops and how you organize stuff, give me some ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys do. Because I'm a rookie at this organization shop thing, and I'd love to hear how you guys do it. But anyway, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and you know, leave me something in the comments. It helps the videos tremendously. And then also, I want to thank you guys. My videos have gotten monetized, and you know, I'm not getting rich off this by any means, but I really appreciate everyone that comes and watches the videos. It helps me out to where I can continue to do this, because, you know, getting cameras and software and all that stuff ain't cheap. It ain't free. And you guys watching and commenting and all that stuff helps me out a lot, so I can keep doing this. But anyway, I'll catch y'all on the next video.